All right, this is going to be a very quick guide video on how to go about staking your docs on docs Airdrop. Okay, and you just have to just log into your doc. If you have not signed up, sign up immediately to start this process. Okay, we have 6 days left. When you stake your doc, you're going to be earning dump, okay, at the end of the day, and dump is already trading. Okay, so you click here from your homepage, you click here and you are going to see this place. Then you click on this live. Okay, click here, right? When you click there, you're going to see this place, docs pool. This is docs pool that they talked about in the text, right? You have 6 days left. Okay, pool info, you can read through and know more about it, but that's all you need to know for now. When you are going to claim either your dump or your doc, you see this place that you're going to come. By then you're going to click on claim, but for now we want to quickly do the staking. So you click on stake, right? When you click on stake, you're going to see this. I think they have not given us the opportunity to type in something. I think you just have to click maximum. I'm staking everything that I have here, which is 26,142 docs. I'll click on max and it will pop up, and then I'll click on stake. Right now I am yet to complete all the tasks, so I can still do more tasks and have more docs, right? So I'm going to click on stake now. Well, I see success, stake successfully. So that's it. I've staked my 26,000 doc. So let's go back to the home page to see what we have there. You can see I have 00, have 00. Okay, so I've staked. When the time comes, I can still click here, right? Click here, and then I will be able to claim my doc or dump, whichever one. Now they say that this is the start time and this is the end time. So let's see, started that was on the 17th and it's gonna end on the 31st. Okay, so that's it. Then one more thing, from the home page you can, I've collected my what is it called, Ton wallet, but you can also collect your EVN wallet from any Web3 wallet at all. So let's just click here. I want to connect my MetaMask. It could be OKX, it could be BitGet, it could be Get.io wallet, it could also be MetaMask. I want to connect MetaMask. Now you click on MetaMask and you'll be redirected to your MetaMask. Now you have to log in, and I'm just going to pause to do that immediately. When you are done inputting your MetaMask password, or if it is fingerprint, you just click unlock. You click on that unlock, and then you'll be redirected to your MetaMask. It's saying that I've increased my security. This is just security issues. I have to deal with that before I continue with the video. Okay, it's just an update to the latest version. I'm just going to click on remind me later, and then so yes, in case it doesn't work, you go back to the dock and then click on that connect again after signing in to your MetaMask, and it will bring you to this place where you have to confirm the connection, right? Sign the connection. You click on connect, and then it is connected already. You sign it. Okay, just click on sign, and then that's it's connected already. So yes, look at it, it's connected. So we'll now go back to doc to see if it's successful. We just have to click on check wallet, and let's see if the connection was successful. You can see it's connected. So that's how you go about it. You can see I have my Ton wallet, and then I have my EVN compatible wallet for my MetaMask. So that's it, guys. So if you have any question, you just let me know and I'll be there to attend to you. Right? Bye for now.